for the amazing experiment show Super Simple Stuff!
What are we going to do today?
We're going to do cool science experiments, outdoor playtime, and what else are we going to do? Cool facts around the globe!
And don't forget, guys, at the end, stick around because we have
The outtakes!
the outtakes. So, Hadley, what experiment are we going to do today?
We're going to do a rainbow experiment!
Whoa, but it's been sent in. Who asked us to do it?
Callie and my school.
Also, we've had some people asking in. So thank you very much, Callie, and thank you very much, Hadley School, for asking us to do some rainbow experiments. What do we need to do the experiment now?
So, guys, we're going to show you.
Whoa! Fantastic. Magic's still working.
So, we've got 2 pieces of paper. Has to be toilet roll or kitchen roll paper. We've got rainbow colours, felt, and we've got a jug with some water.
Jug with some water. Good things. Right, so...
This is water.
Water.
This is water.
So, what happens then? How does this... You're going to tell me, because I've got a clue. How does this work?
So, guys, we're going to draw on the 2 pieces of paper, in rainbow order, of course. And we're going to dip the pieces of paper into here. And also, this is a challenge to see whose colours go the furthest. It still counts. If one of the colours are bigger than somebody else's colours. I'm happy with that, mister.
Whoever gets the colours to go the highest wins. So that's going to be me then, yeah?
No.
No.
It's gonna be it.
Right, shall we get started? Right. A lot of people don't know the colour of the rainbow. They go red and yellow and pink and... Is that the order?
No.
What's the order of the rainbow?
Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and indigo and violet. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.
Cool. We haven't got indigo and violet, so we've got as close as we could get.
Pink
which is
and dark blue.
Pink and a bit of dark blue. But listen, you can use... I'm not going to do the rainbow. Hadley's going to do rainbow. I'm just going to do some random colours. Because it really doesn't matter. How much do you have to put on the paper though? It looks like you're putting quite a bit on there, yeah?
I put an inch like my mum said.
About an inch. Oh, yeah, okay. So about well, this is a little bit more than an inch, but yes. Yeah, so all you do, colour up the paper.
It's more than an inch.
There you go.
I'll definitely win because I've got bigger than yours already.
You're bigger than mine already. Well,
yeah.
Let's see. And I'm gonna put one with a bit of a squiggle in it, like that. See if it makes a difference. What do you think? Think that'll make a difference?
Yeah, I think.
All right, what's that?
Yeah. I've got a big one. Hey.
And then I'm gonna do.
Look, it's already
blue.
bigger than red and orange. It's really tall.
That's okay. I'm gonna do orange. And I'm gonna do orange is like an oval, big oval like that.
Oh.
Again, I don't know why. Just
Experimenting.
experimenting. That's what it's all
I'd
about.
like to do that as well in a second.
That's what it's all about, isn't it? Just doing an experiment. And again, you can use any colours. As Hadley said though, this needs to be absorbent paper. So toilet paper, or this is kitchen roll that we're using. What happens when we dip this in the water?
It would go higher than it's already.
Okay.
It's already.
Goes higher, but why does it go higher? What's happening to the water?
It's absorbing.
It's absorbing. So it's getting kind of sucked up the paper. Because the paper's dry, the water comes in and it draws the water up.
Yep.
And what's going to happen to all the colours?
They're going to go into the water.
Okay.
They're going to get bigger as well.
Are they? Okay, that's
Well,
cool.
a little bit of the colours are going to fade into the water, but still, some are going to stay on the paper and get bigger. I'm not copying you.
That's fine. So that's what we've made. So this is Hadley's. This is mine. Who's going to win?
I don't know.
Neither do I. Should we find out?
Hadley versus Matt. This is when the jug of water comes in. Now we're going to dip both of our pieces of paper into the water.
Ooh, okay. How far?
Like An inch maybe.
An inch into the water. So about halfway up our colours.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So I have to see my colours.
I'm going to fold mine over just so we've got a bit more space. Right, ready?
Half my colours?
Oh, you got in. Right, I thought you were going to give me a countdown.
No, just smell. What is it? My colours.
So should we turn it around so everyone can see?
My green's doing really well.
So what's actually happening?
They're getting really, really bigger, like tornadoes.
What is the super simple science though, Hadley?
The paper is absorbing the water, and the water going into the colours to make the colours burst up in really bright.
That's brilliant. Them and the molecules keep following each other up the paper. But who's going to get the highest? We just don't know. I'm going to pull mine out to have a little look quickly.
You're having a little sneaky peeky.
I'm a little sneaky peeky. I am, yeah. I'm going to put it back in
My
because I'm going to
colours
lose
are-
if I don't get it back in the water. Ah! There we go.
My colours aren't really doing well, really.
They are. I think they're doing all right.
I think I'm winning.
You think you're winning?
Yeah.
I just don't know. How long do you need to leave them in for?
About a minute.
About a minute. Okay.
That's about a minute. We're going to take them out now and see who won.
Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Right, ready?
Really won. I
Right.
feel like these are like sweeties that I could eat.
They do look a bit like sweetie coloured, don't they?
Yeah.
There's
Oh, I've got three in mine. Really nice.
so. This one's mine,
My bed's really, really not doing
and this one's Hadley. So I've made it to. Let's mark the paper. I've made it to here.
Can I?
Can you mark yours?
No. I have made it to here.
A bit higher, I think. But yeah. So who won? Oh, who won? So Hadley won. He got a little bit further than Daddy. That's brilliant.
Da, da, da.
Da 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 da. So the great thing here is all you needed was
some felt tips, a jug or a glass, with water in.
Yeah, cold
and
water.
you need some pieces.
What kind of paper?
Tissue roll or kitchen roll.
Yeah, toilet roll or kitchen roll.
Thanks, Callie and my school for sending these rainbow stuff in. We really enjoyed that rainbow stuff in. Thank you for sending it to us, otherwise we would never have even done it.
No, we wouldn't. So yeah, brilliant. Thank you very much. But we did,
Yay!
and Hadley won.
It's time for Out Time Discovery Time! Ladies and gents, this is the ultimate. It's time. The ultimate Nerf Battle Royale!
Nerf battle.
I'm gonna get Daddy with the Sniper Alpha Strike 2000!
And I got this. The Nerf Alpha Strike. Psham.
Don't forget, ladies and gents, always need your goggles when you play with Nerf blasters. Battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Reload!
Oh,
Reload!
no! Wait, I'm not done yet. Wait.
Whoa! Oh, missed.
Okay, welcome to Super Simple Stuff News. Hi, it's me again, Mr. Macca Macca Moo.
And it's me, Andrew.
Good name. I mean, octopus have 3 hearts.
A snowflake can take up to an hour to get from the sky down to the ground.
Scotland has the oldest tree in Europe. It's 3,000 years old.
What? Sorry. At night when you see the sun going down, it's not the sun going down, it's the earth rotating away from the sun.
No way. I mean, no way.
Yes, way. And that's it from...
Me.
And that's it from me. Super simple stuff news.
Out. Hi guys. We've had a great time today, haven't we?
We have, it's been fantastic. Experiment was great. Thanks for sending your ideas in, everybody. Keep them coming if you want to send any more.
And hang around, of course, for the brilliant
Outtakes! Don't forget, if you want to contact us, you can contact us on Twitter here. And send your ideas in. We'll keep replying to you. Don't forget, if there's a H, Hadley's chatting. If it's an AM, I'm chatting. And in the meantime, thank you very much.
Chatting.
Yeah, chatting, yeah. Typing, chatting. Thank you very much.
We haven't just got experiments indoors, we've got them outdoors.
Outdoor experiments coming really soon. Should we tell them what, or should we keep it a secret? Okay, but you'll be seeing them very, very soon. So once again, guys, thank you very much. It's brilliant making these videos. We really enjoyed. It's good to see how many people are watching, how many people are subscribers. Yeah, don't forget, ladies and gents.
Press that red subscribe button!
Press the red subscribe button and the little thumbs up as well, because it really helps. I think the more you thumbs up, the more people get to see our stuff. So, and that's really going to help us.
Super step out!
But don't go anywhere just yet. Don't forget, guys, next we've got coming up.
They're amazing! Funny old outtakes! Oh, I had it in your hand all the time. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
That's okay. You can put that back up after the video. We're gonna do a float.
We're going to do a float.
I know that jazz.
I know that.
That's what Mum says.